Nominal rate versus effective rate. So the nominal rate is the stated rate. So when you're looking at your savings account, your money market account, your any interest bearing account, when you're looking at it, they say, okay, this account gives you an interest rate of 3%. That's called the nominal rate. That's what they tell you. But depending on how that interest is compounded over the year, it could actually be a higher rate or a lower rate. I think 9 times out of 10 more of a higher rate. I don't know, when you do the math, you'll see it. But that actual rate, that the money that you get at the very end, if you calculate it, you're like, oh, the actual rate was really this. That's the effective rate. And you can look on the screen where I said it's the true rate of the financial product, the true rate of the financial product. This is a really old article. I try not to pick anything now because I'm not a financial investor. I don't give financial advice. I wanted to pick something that was really old. So this is from 2007, but being that this is from 2007, I mean, a checking account with 4% APY, that means that's the effective rate. That means you're getting 4% back on the money that you put into the checking account. Now, I don't know, I think this is well known. You put money into a bank, it just doesn't sit there. Okay, the bank uses that money. So for us, it kind of just sits there. But for the bank, the more money, the better, because that's more money that they can do stuff with. Okay, like investments and stuff like that. So the interest that they're giving you is almost like an exchange. You give us your money, here we'll give you back 4%. In interest. So I don't know what it was advertised, but they actually advertise this on their homepage, which the dog's face is like, wow, that's good. That's good for a checking account. So go look at your checking and savings account and see how much interest you're earning on your money. Okay. Now there's more details to this. Obviously, is it a certain deposit amount? Do you have to have a certain balance? There's more details in that, but that's just what I wanted to show you, is that the nominal rate is what they state you're getting. And then the effective rate is what you actually get. Okay.